this thing recording? Can you focus? Is it focused? Exit. I think it's recording. I think it's recording. What's up? What's up? Come on. Come on. Focus. Focus. Mwah. Hey guys. Welcome back. No, I'm just kidding. It's not welcome back. I didn't try to record this video like 3 times already, so it's more like welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Vallen. But welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a little awkward, I'm a little weird. I'm really fun. I joke a lot. I'm really humorous. Just letting y'all know what it is on the first video. But yeah. We're gonna get into this video. But no, for real, I'm Vallen. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're here watching it, give it a like and subscribe, please. Whatever. We're gonna be doing 5 questions from the Get to Know Me tag and 5 questions from the Beauty tag, and I'm just gonna go back and forth between the 2. I believe I will be only doing 20 questions, and the Get to Know Me, I know it's 30 questions, and the Beauty tag is like 30 questions as well, I believe. But yeah, I'm only gonna be doing 20 questions. But in and out the video, I'll either number the question, or I won't. I'll just go into the question. But yeah, let's just get started. We're gonna start off with the Get to Know Me tag randomly. So the first question is going to be, what is your middle name? My middle name is Vallen, which is why the title of my channel and all of my handles is Vallen. Next question is going to be, what is your favorite color? Honestly, I don't have a favorite color, but I really do like black and white. Just black and white, because you can pair it with everything. Like my entire room has some type of black or some type of white, and it's mixed with like different metallics or different shades of colors. The next question is going to be, who was your first best friend? My first best friend had to be in elementary school. I call it grammar school. And it was my best friend Savannah, and I'm still friends with Savannah till this day, and I still have to call her back because I was supposed to call her back yesterday, but then I went to work and then I had class, so I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll call you back, I swear. And in the middle, next question is going to be, how tall are you? Okay, I am short and I am curvy. I am 5'1", but I'm 5'2" on my good days. Yeah, buddy. So like right now I'm probably like 5'1". Okay, last question is going to be cat or dog. I currently have a cat living with me in my apartment, but I do have a dog that I raised back at home, so both. There is no. But as for my cat, his name is Amir. You guys will see him later, but Amir is a dog. And I'll record him. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Okay, and now I'm going to go to the beauty section, the beauty tag. Okay. Number 3 from the beauty section is, what kind of coverage do you prefer from a foundation? Okay, it depends on how much money I'm spending, honestly. And then it also depends on the mood that I'm in. So my skin is not like acne prone, or it's not really bad, so I could do light to medium coverage, or medium coverage, just plain old medium. But I prefer, these days, I prefer a more full coverage because I'm taking more pictures, I'm doing videos, I would like my skin to look flawless. But on a normal everyday basis, I do like a medium coverage just to hide a couple hyperpigmentation or acne spots. Next question from this category is going to be, favorite high-end brand. NARS is my favorite because that's what I spend the most coin on, because I buy their NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer like crazy. I buy all their foundations. I spend my most money on NARS products and Anastasia products, to be honest. Okay, next question, number 8 from the beauties tag. Is there any kind of makeup you can't leave the house without? Brows. My brow pencil, anything that'll fill my brows in or make them a little darker is gonna be helpful for me. Go down to question 15, which is gonna be, what sports do you play or have you played? I have played so many sports. I was such a tomboy sports fanatic back in my high school days. I've played football, I've played tennis, I've played soccer, I've played floor hockey. Boy, I was a killer at floor hockey. I've played flag football. I really like football because I get to tackle people, take all of my hostility out, you know? But I've also played basketball. Basketball probably my least favorite sport. My least favorite, but I was good at all other sports. Yeah, I was good at all other sports. Alright, we're gonna go on to the next question, which is gonna be question 18. What is your favorite movie? I'm gonna switch this question up because I don't necessarily have a favorite movie. I have a favorite category movie, or I can just list a couple movies that I like. I'm such a nerd, but I like those vampy sci-fi movies. Like, I really like Van Helsing. I really like Underworld. I really like Resident Evil. Like, I like those. There's different sides of me, and there's different types of categories and different movies that I like. I like The Notebook. I like Friends with Benefits. I like The Vow. I like Time Traveler's Wife. Like, Remember Me. I cried in Marley and Me. I cried in Me Before You. I absolutely love that movie. But that's just a couple of movies that I actually really like. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I do. I'm currently living with my sister. She's younger than me. And I have a younger brother and I have an older sister as well. So I have 3 other siblings. Next question is 26. What is your favorite restaurant? I really love Korean food. So my favorite restaurant was Kaya down here in Carbondale area. But it switched ownership and now the menu is completely different. So it's garbage now. But it was my favorite place. But any type of Korean restaurant is gonna be my favorite, period. I really like Asian cuisine. Okay, moving on to the next section. This is going to be back into the beauty section, and I'm going to start off with number 11, which is going to be, do you have a beauty budget or do you spend friendly? Do you spend freely? Bro, can't talk today. But no, I do not. No and yes, I kind of do my own budget. It's more of like when I get paid, I'll like put a whole bunch of stuff in my list and make a whole bunch of different shopping lists in different places. That's not a budget. I spend freely. I just put everything in my cart, decide what I actually need and what I don't need, and I buy it because I get paid twice a month. So one check obviously goes to my bills and the other check I'll spend on some necessities and then some wants. So that's what I do. Next one is going to be 12. Do you utilize coupons, reward cards, and sales when you shop for cosmetics? Heck yeah, I do. I'm a college kid on a budget, okay? I'm not trying to... That's a crazy question, okay? Heck yeah, I use all my coupons and all my sales. I be trying to finesse and make up some new ones that's not even there. But yes, I do use coupons. Every Ulta, every Sephora haul I do, best believe I'm trying to use that coupon or look for something to cheat my way in there. Next question is gonna be, okay, what type of product do you buy the most of? I buy the most of skincare products because I'm a real skincare junkie. I just love foundation, I love blush, I love concealer, I love contouring, I love bronzing, I love all of it. Like the face products are the most that I purchase the most of. I just said most like 45 times. Next question. 25. Okay, are you clumsy in putting on makeup? No, I don't think so. I don't think I've ever been clumsy with makeup because I take so much time on it. Like if I'm rushing, yes, I'm clumsy. Like I'm trying to get ready really fast. But if I'm not rushing, then nah, bro. You know, if I'm going out, I know I need 2.5 hours in advance, you know? Yes, I am not clumsy, but yes, I am clumsy when it comes to rushing and trying to get ready fast. Next question is going to be number 27. How many hair products do you use on a typical day? 0. On a typical day. But on my wash and go days, that's another story. I use about 10 products for my wash and goes, which I'll record that in another video because that's a whole other video. But normally I just, it's not a wash and go day, which is not typical because I'm not doing that every day. I just wake up, fluff, water, and boom, I'm good. I probably slick down some edges or something and walk out the door. That's about it. And we're going to do question number 30. Number 30. What do you love most about makeup? Okay. This is not a hard question, but nothing can define or describe how I feel about makeup. I can't put it into words. Like, you see the art. I can do whatever I want. I can create whatever I want. I can be whoever I want. And I can't put that into words. So it is what it is. I'm going to show you how I feel and what I love about makeup. That's this channel's going to be about. I think that's it for this video. I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Just wanted to do like a little some extra behind the scenes type stuff. But I'm gonna let y'all go. Deuces. Bow! Back. We ain't gonna talk about that. Y'all ain't see that. I'm not embarrassed. This is me trying to secure the bag. So y'all know what it is. You know I got the pajamas on. Boy, stop playing with me. Stop playing. I gotta rock my PJs. Thank you, moms. I just woke him up. This boy is sitting in my sink sleep. No? Oh. Alright. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Psych.